This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Henrico County. More specifically, I'm in the far west end. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome. This townhome is located here in a great location because we are actually on a dead-end street, and so there's going to be very little traffic coming through this location. If you're at all familiar with the west end of Henrico, you know it is extremely convenient. Everything you need from sushi to soccer balls is just a 5-minute drive. If you missed me over the past few days, it's because I was on vacation. I took a 7-night cruise and got away for a little bit. Really gave me a chance to unwind, meet some amazing people. For those of you that are paying really close attention, you may notice that I put on a couple of kilos. You can maybe see it in my face. I prefer using the word kilos because it's much less offensive than pounds. Pounds just has a rough sound to it, and I'm trying to get rid of all the negativity in my life that I can. Here on New Year's Eve, 2025, and we are looking forward to what 2026 has to bring. Many of you that are regular viewers know that there was a new program that was announced. It is a Heroes program, and that program basically gives a $10,000 grant to local heroes. And for the purpose of this program, heroes are people that work in education, healthcare, all veterans, active duty military as well, and first responders. And the definitions, the career fields are pretty wide open within those areas of expertise. I won't go into them right now, but I need your help. I haven't gotten a lot of response for this program. This is $10,000 on top of 100% financing for most owner-occupants that are first-time buyers, and there are other grant programs available for them as well. So it's not going to be difficult for us to get $20,000 for someone to knock out all of their closing costs and then some for a purchase of the first home or the only home that they've had in the past 3 years. Special thanks to Gita Hariani, United agent, who's kind enough to allow us to come in and take a look at her beautiful listing. One of the things that I like about this setup here is we have the townhome. We've got a nice long driveway, and then we have some additional parking right here where my truck is. So it gives you a lot more flexibility as far as where you can park, particularly if you have guests. I love the fact that we've got a nice mixture of brick and vinyl here on the front, really good curb appeal, and the grounds are well maintained. So one of the things that I'm doing here this week is, if you know someone that's in one of those career fields, I would appreciate it if you would just let them know. Say, hey, if you're interested in buying a home, give Max Williams a call, because there's a lot of money available. Free money does not have to be paid back if you're interested in buying a home. And it does not take hardly any money to get into a home for those that qualify. All right, let's see what we have in store. Love the floor plan that we have here. When we come in the front door, we come into the dining room area. We do have wood floors here throughout this first floor. And here to the left is the 1-car garage. I love the fact that we have this garage here because, of course, you can use this for storage or a vehicle, depending on your needs. All right, let's go back in and see what else we have. We've got a tray ceiling here in place, ceiling fan. Plenty of light flows in here through those 3 windows at the very front. We do have antique white walls here, so you'd be moving in. The paint looks good in this unit. We have a galley kitchen here that's well appointed. On the left-hand side, we have 42-inch cabinets, solid surface countertop, dishwasher. On the opposite side, of course, our gas stove, microwave, and stainless fridge with ice and water in the door. Our kitchen is complete here with a pantry. So you've got really good storage, ceramic tile on the floor, and all of these surfaces look great. As we go through the kitchen here, actually one thing I didn't mention was that tile backsplash. Love the extra styling that you get here with a tile backsplash, and it makes it really easy to clean if you have food that splatters on that backsplash. Love our family room area. We've got a nice big family room area. Plenty of light once again comes into this space. Gas log fireplace. Gas logs are efficient. So on a cold winter night, you turn on those gas logs. Not only do you get the ambiance, but you also get a nice toasty room. So that is a huge plus. One other thing, if you buy this townhome now, you will be able to enjoy that fireplace for Valentine's Day. I just thought about that. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and it's still cold in February, so you'd really be able to utilize that fireplace. All right, we've got a slider going out here. We're gonna pop outside and see what else we have in store here in the rear. All right, we are completely fenced here in the backyard, which is nice. If you have two-legged friends, they can, of course, come back here and enjoy. Good privacy because we've got the nice tall evergreens that go up. Wow, that's probably a good 40 feet or so. So really good barrier there here in the rear. Our rear elevation on the townhome is vinyl siding. All of this, of course, is maintained by the HOA. All right, let's go back in and see what else we have in store. Now, one of the things that I'm going to do is on the 7th of January, 2026, I'm going to do a drawing. If you have spread the word to someone about the Special Heroes program, just go ahead, send me a message, say, hey, Max, I told a coworker or I told a friend or the person that lives downstairs about the program, and we will enter you into a drawing. The absolute best donuts in Metro Richmond area are country style donuts. They've got a location on Broad Street. I'll put the address below. But I will give you a dozen donuts. You'll get a coupon for a dozen donuts. Your choice on the flavors. And trust me, you will thank me. If you've never had them, you will definitely thank me. Some of the kilos that I maintain on a daily basis are a direct result of consuming those amazing donuts. All right, we are here on the second level. I am going to start here in a secondary bedroom. Now, one of the things I love about this townhome is that we have really good size secondary bedrooms. I've been in a lot of townhomes in this area and you get like a 10 by 10 bedroom for the secondary. That's not the case here. In addition, both secondary bedrooms have walk-in closets, and that's very unusual. Not only for townhomes, but even traditional single-family detached homes. You typically don't get walk-in closets for every bedroom, so nice plus. This, of course, is our hall bath, nicely appointed. We have a ceramic tile on the floor, fiberglass tub shower enclosure. Paint looks great. Second floor laundry. Both washer and dryer will convey. You do not have to worry about buying those items, and you don't have to worry about lugging laundry up and down the stairs, which is a huge plus. We've got a second level linen closet. This is going to be secondary bedroom number 2. Now, both of these secondary bedrooms will facilitate adult-sized beds. So this is a really good arrangement, particularly if you have adult need to occupy some of these secondary bedrooms. Okay, we are now going to transition into our primary. Now, the first thing I see that I love is the double doors going into the primary. So that sends a message that this is the primary. It is a nice styling feature. We, of course, have the tray ceiling, really good size here. You've got enough space here in this bedroom to have a sitting area in addition to a large bed. So There's no shortage of space here in this townhome. All right, we are going to head straight ahead. The other thing I really love about it is we have got this massive walk-in closet. So one of the big concerns that a lot of people have in today's market is closet space. Now, we've got this here, great place for shoes, sweaters, hats, but we also have some additional space on either side that you can use to customize. So if you wanted to put in additional shelving, you could do that. If you are a sneaker collector or a red bottom collector, you can put in some additional cubbies and have each pair of shoes in their own individual space. Wow, what a great layout. All right, this is going to be our primary bath. They did a great job here with this room as well. We've got the nice double vanity. Directly ahead is our water closet. Notice we've got the ceramic tile that's throughout here on the floor. Stand-up shower, and this one's going to feature a detachable shower head. You guys know I'm a big fan of good shower technology. Little bench there if you need to take a break and do some leg maintenance with the razor, ladies. That is super convenient. And even more convenient is this deep, super deep soaking tub. Now, imagine this. You can take some fake greenery, some candles, incense, whatever you like, and put it all the way around here. You've got the windows, of course, with the blinds on them, but you could really turn this into basically a little sanctuary. After a hard day's work, run some hot water and a bath bomb or two in there and just take you to another world. We fail sometimes to do that self-care that's so important. When you work hard, you deserve to be able to relax and help maintain your sanity. Wow, what a beautiful townhome. I love what I see here. Amazing location. It's priced right. Grant money galore is available. Great financing. Rates have been trending downward. And I would love to help you or anyone you may know interested in buying or selling. I know somebody has a resolution this year to make that a reality, and I would love to be the one to help. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and pass on that information about the Heroes program. Thanks for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Happy New Year. Have a great day.